10 Incredible Health Benefits of Ginger. Did you know that ginger has been used for around 5,000 years as a medicine and spice? Even Queen Elizabeth I of England loved ginger and invented the famous gingerbread man, which soon became a popular Christmas treat. But jokes aside, ginger is not just a flavorful addition to your dishes. It has been proven to have numerous health benefits for centuries. Its rich nutritional profile includes vitamin C, zinc, carotenoids, iron, phosphorus, copper, manganese, fiber, and proteins, as well as a compound called gingerol, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This Zingiberaceae family member has a lot more to offer than just a spicy kick to your food. It actually has incredible health benefits that we are going to explore in this video. Eating ginger helps your body ward off germs, bacteria, and viruses. It can relieve nausea, upset stomach, and motion sickness. Ginger can also reduce muscle pain and menstrual cramps. It helps improve digestion, reduce bloating, and prevent constipation. Due to its gingerol compound, it may also help with cancer prevention. It is also a superfood for making your skin look and feel healthier. Ginger is a natural weight loss aid that boosts metabolism and controls insulin levels. It can even prevent cardiovascular disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. This powerful root can also improve brain function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. It can even help with respiratory problems like asthma and bronchitis. In simple and polite words, this herbaceous perennial plant is like a magical elixir that can cure, protect, and enhance every aspect of your health, except for a broken heart or a grumpy boss.